Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Okay, I guess I'm in here good enough. I was thinking the other day while I was at work about about 2021 and what I'm going to be doing. So currently I have no plans on quitting or giving up the channel. I'm going to forge forward. In fact, I still have a bunch of video ideas on my phone. I'll show you here in a minute, which I wish I'd thought to take out. Today is November 24th. Can't speak. So I have, come on. So I actually have a large list of cooking videos. And then I got another video idea from Mi Woodsman. The other day I was watching, he added a few videos to my budget camping playlist. So one of his videos gave me an idea. I'm still going to continue on with the budget series. That's not stopping. I'm still going to be doing more canteen videos. I'm going to be doing more cooking videos. Alright, I paused the camera because I had a group of 4 walking their dog coming through, so I didn't want to get distracted. So I just turned the camera off. And actually I had my rifle behind me on the bench, and I went and threw it in the car in case he saw it and freaked out, like, OMG, G-U-N. So, yeah, plans. So I still want to do redo the fire pit at Forest Camp. Although I'm only going to do the fire pit, I'm not going to put the table back up, because my new idea now is to push back farther into the woods, hopefully with less people going back there. And I may attempt either a shelter build, maybe, or just do like a frame structure, and I can just get out there and throw a tarp over it, because if I lean a stick against a tree and then maybe a couple support pieces, it might look natural enough that I can just come up, throw down some ground cover, set up, fling a tarp over it, and we're good to go. So as long as it doesn't look like a shelter, no butthead will come by and knock it over. So yeah, that's that. I did find a camera I want to get. Sorry, I'm messing with my face covering. So I did find a camera I want to get that I can get wet. I need to make sure I don't have the funds right now. I don't have the extra funds right now. Bills first, unfortunately. I'll roll in a couple photos right now. So once I get the funds, I'm gonna pick that up. Plus I have to get all the accessories with it. Batteries, and batteries aren't too much, but they do add up. So that's a camera I want to get at some point. Also along those lines, if you have any suggestions for next year, stuff you want to see, video ideas you'd like me to try. I've been trying to branch out quite a bit with videos, like I've been doing the MRE. I'm about to do an MRE again. I just bought 4 more, including 2 vegetarian ones, so hopefully, I was told they were good, so we'll try those out. Those are more, well, it's raining and the weather's crap today, so we'll go to the park, get something on video, knock out an MRE. So there's that. A lot of the videos I showed on my phone, I probably didn't do a close-up, but a lot of those are canteen cup cooking. So plus other videos I want to do. I also might try doing some. I might try doing a few full-length videos. Maybe not the entire trip, but just over. Maybe I might either try half-hour videos or maybe 45 minutes. It's like there's definitely a trip I want to do on it. Go out and do a hammock, or not a hammock. Well, I do want to do a hammock, but I want to do a tarp shelter out where I did the. Well, I don't know if I'm going to release this first, but I basically went out in the woods. I made a fire, and I was just out in the middle of nowhere. And I want to try doing a tarp shelter out there, and I might just film the whole thing, and just post it as one big video. So I might try to do those if I can, knock on wood, maybe once a month. We'll see how it goes. It really depends on the viewers. If you guys aren't watching it, there's no point in me putting it up. So I've posted long videos before, and they'll get like a third of the views of a regular video. So, and I'm not just gonna do food videos all the time, because they get kind of boring after a while. They get boring to make, and if the videos aren't fun to make, then why am I making them? So I gotta mix it up. Plus, you don't get redundant either. It's like, oh, here we are cooking again. That, and I might only be releasing 1 or 2 videos a week versus 4 a week. So for consistency's sake, I'm gonna mix it up. So let me know what you think in the comments. I try to keep this video short. Suggestions, ideas. I'm writing them down, taking notes. I've been putting them in my phone. Things I want to do. Oh, and then there's the military tent, which I haven't gotten back to because I haven't been able to waterproof it yet. And it's still sitting in my room because I took it out on Labor Day, and the whole day was, didn't go as planned, and I ended up having to clean up garbage at like 3 different sites I went to, and then the tire came off, and then I broke the key, and the truck is still sitting. It's November 24th, and I ordered the part like mid-September, and I still haven't gotten the cylinder lock yet for this, so I can start it. Still sitting, and someone broke in the truck and stole my tools. So I mentioned that in the video I may not even post, because I tried doing a mock setup of the PVC cover, and it was just a shit show. So I got to get in there, and I got to go in there and just make some major tweaks. Shorten the PVCs up, and just do a lot of adjusting, and we'll see how that goes. So that project's been sitting because I haven't been able to drive the truck anyway. So, alright, so I guess sort of update too. So I'm going to crack open this MRE because it's lunchtime, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah, just stay tuned. I've been doing 4 vids a week, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm always open for suggestions, comments, ideas. If you have videos you want to add to my playlist, please do. I'll check them out. I made an exception for Mi Woodsman, a couple of this video, because there were over 500 views, but I liked the video a lot. One, he's a friend, but 2, it's the content was excellent, so I went ahead and just threw it in the playlist. So I'm not totally stuck on the 500. Exceptions are always made. So again, see ya.